Hi students, welcome to the Social Science History class. Today we are going to see about Unit 1 Sources of Medieval India. Students, we have already seen primary sources. Now we are going to see secondary sources. So we'll see first one is religious literature, second one is secular literature, and third books, biographies, autobiographies. So we'll see one by one. First we'll see religious literature. The Chola period was known as the period of devotional literature. So that bhakti or devotional movement is started by the time of Chola periods. Okay. We'll see famous literatures in the period of Cholas. Kamba Ramayanam, that was written by Kambar, we know already. Then Periya Puranam, that was written by Sekilar. Then Nalayira Divya Prabandham, that was composed by 12 alvars and compiled by Nadamuni. Okay. Then Devaram, that was composed by Appar, Sambandar and Sundarar and compiled by Nambiyanandar Nambi. Then Tiruvasagam, that was written by Manika Vasagar. So these four are scripted by the time of Cholas period. Okay. And again we have two Gita Govindam. Gita Govindam, that was created by the 12th century. His written poet name is Jayadeva. Then Sangs Kabir, that was written by Kabir Das. He is a 15th century poet. Okay, these are the devotional literatures. Next we will see secular literatures. Next, secular literature. In Vijayanagara Empire period of time, they have two literatures. So, first one is Madura Vijayam, that was written by Ganga Devi, and next Amukta Malyata, that was written by Krishna Devaraya. These two literature telling clear information about Vijayanagara Empire. Okay. So next, Rajput Kings Vallur. So Prithviraj Rasu. This literature is telling clear information about Rajput Kings Vallur. Vallur means Biram. Okay, telling about their Vallur. So that was written by Chand Bardai. In final, pre-Islamic period of time, that is 11th century, they have famous literature, that is Raj Taramani, that was written by Kalkana. Before going into books and biographies, we have to know about these words. First one is Tabakat, is an Arabic word meaning generations or centuries. Okay. Tusk is a Persian word meaning of autobiography. Tariq or Tahik are Arabic words meaning history. Okay. Tabakat, Tariq or Tahik. These three words are Arabic words, have different meanings. Okay. Tabakat meaning generations or centuries. Tusk is a Persian word meaning of autobiography. Tariq or Tahik are Arabic words meaning history. Because before we have to see before books we have to study these words, because books names given by these words only. Okay. Okay. Now books and autobiographies. Here are the famous books names, and here their author names. Okay. So first, Dabakat Nazri. Okay, Dabakati Nasri. Okay, this was written by that author name is Minhaj Asrat. Okay, Asrat. Next book, Dajul Mazir. Author name is Hazan Nizamani. This book special is first official history of the Delhi Sultani. Okay, this is the first official history of the Delhi Sultan. Okay, next Tariq Farazagi. So this author name is Ziaud Barni. Okay, Ziaud Barni. Next Tariq Farasta. Tariq Farasta, author name is Farasta only. This book have special. This is telling about Mughal power in India. Okay, the rise of the Mughal power in India. Next Babar Nama. So author name is Babar. So he written own autobiography. Okay, own history, autobiography. Then Anni Akbari and Akbar Nama. This was written by Abul Fasil. Abul Fasil. Actually, they are telling Akbar stories only. And another two also Akbar story only. That was Dabakati Akbari and Tariki Badani. Okay. So first one author is Nizamuddin Ahmad and Tariki Badani author name is Badani only. Okay. Next final Tusuki Jahangiri. This is own biography. So that is written by Jahangir. Okay. Okay students, next we are going to see about travelers and travelogues. Okay. So in previous topic we have seen books and autobiographies. Their books, in that books they are written by our Indian authors. Okay. But here travelers, foreign travelers are written in that book about our country. Okay, we'll see that. First traveler is Marco Polo. He is a Venetian traveler. He visited Pandyam kingdom and visited Kayal twice. Okay, Kayal port. That is, Kayal means Kayal Pattinam. Okay, he visited 13th century. Okay, 13th century, and he is telling information about our port. He is telling chips from Arabia, Persia and China. Okay, so in that port have lot of chips. Okay, so here we know the information about our port have lot of trading things, import and export. Okay, next traveler is Al-Biruni. His book is Tahangi Hind book. Okay, he is accompanied with Muhammad of Ghazni. He visited India fully in the 11th century. Hence, he is telling information about Muhammad Somnath expedition. So, he is telling that Muhammad, that is the emperor, his information about Somnath victory. Okay. Next, Ibn Battuta. So, Ibn Battuta, his book is Rihila, the travels book. Okay, he is from Morocco. He is nearby Egypt. Okay, he visited India fully in 4th century. He is telling 3 information about in that regular book. So first one is caste in India. Next, the practice of sati. Practice of sati is means in ancient time we have one rule, right? If the husband death, that widow wife have to burn herself. So in that funeral time. So that is practice of sati. He tell that information. And the next one is Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. So our India capital is Delhi, right? In that time also Delhi only. But these Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. That is also called Daulatabad. Okay. So he changed. But now it's Delhi only. We know, right? Next 3 travelers are written the book about Vijayanagara kingdom only. Their success, their emperor details only. First one is Nicola Conti. He is a Italian. Then he is telling information about Vijayanagara kingdom in the period of 1420. Okay. Next, Abdul Razak. He's from Herat, Central Asia. He is also telling information about Vijayanagar kingdom in the period 1443. Okay. Next, Domenico Paise. Okay. He is from Portuguese. He is also telling information about Vijayanagar kingdom only. Visited period of time 1522. Okay. Students, we have seen all the travelers details and the secondary sources. Okay. So, unit 1 sources of medieval is finished. Thank you, students.